Meaning of excuse.
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 Excuse. The word excuse can be used as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a reason or explanation given to justify or defend an action or behavior. As a verb, it means to provide such a reason or forgive someone for a mistake or offense. In general, an excuse is given to alleviate guilt or avoid consequences. However, excessive use of excuses can be seen as dishonest or irresponsible behavior that lacks accountability. It is important to take responsibility for one's actions and make amends when necessary.